Hello good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn. Hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll go through some shortcut keys to format values in Excel. So normally when you want to format values, your option is under Home, under the Home tab. And when you drop this, you get various options to format values. You can also use shortcuts. So to format a number, to get a general format, so here this is in percentage format and I want to get a general format, you select the number and you press CTRL SHIFT tilde. Tilde is the key under escape on your keyboard. If you want to get a comma separated 2 decimal place format, which is the number format, you can select the number and press CTRL SHIFT exclamation mark or 1. They share the same key on the keyboard. If you have a number and you want to convert to time, you can select the number and press CTRL SHIFT at or 2. They share the same key. If you have a number given in this form and you want a date format, you can simply select the number and press CTRL SHIFT hash or 3. In some keyboard settings, you can also press CTRL hash directly to get the same date format. If you want a currency format and your keyboard is set to a dollar symbol, you can select the number and press CTRL SHIFT 4 or dollar. Gives you this result. And lastly, if you want a percentage out of a decimal number, you can select the number and press CTRL SHIFT percentage or 5. Now you observe that in a typical keyboard, these keys follow each other. So combining CTRL SHIFT will give you the desired format. Please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this number. We'll add you to our broadcast list. We send videos on Mondays and Fridays. Visit our YouTube channel for all our old videos. Please click subscribe for notification of new videos, or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a good day.